So, grade 9, today's lesson is about correlative conjunctions. We have 5 correlative conjunctions: neither nor, which means not this and not that; either or, it means one of them; not only, but also, it means one thing occurred and another thing happened as well; both and, it means the two or two things. I'll explain later what do I mean by that; and whether or, it means do I do this one or that one. Now, please, my students, pay attention not to mix between or and nor. So with neither, it starts with n, it takes nor. So n, okay? And either or. Because sometimes in official exams, they tell you neither with or either with nor, and you have to correct the grammatical error. Now, we have earlier studied that whenever we have neither or either alone in a sentence, by that I mean we do not have the other pair of the conjunction. We don't have nor or. It takes s, no matter what. So neither of my friends comes here. Okay? Because we only have neither alone, we don't have nor with it. The verb is always in the singular form. It means you have to add an s. Now, look at the other example. Neither my mom nor my friends come here. You'll ask me, Mr. Friends and friends, why did we add s over here and over here no s? I'm gonna tell you. Over here, neither is alone. Over here, it has nor. So when we have nor, we look at the second subject. If the second subject is a plural, it takes a plural verb, so you don't drop the s, no s. Over here, neither my friends nor my mom. My mom is singular, she. So she takes s. Got it? So alone, it takes s. If it's with nor, you look at the second subject. Singular, it takes s. Plural, no s. Similarly is the case with either. If either is alone, it's always singular. Or, my friends have arrived. Or, either or. I look at the second subject, plural, it takes a plural verb, have. Either my friends or my mom singular, it takes has arrived. Now, this is the problem. Layla works at a pharmacy. She sells homemade sandwiches too. We have to know that not only but also is like similar to to, so we have to omit this from the sentence. The form is not only plus helping verb. Let me point at this. So not only, helping verb, subject, main verb, complement, but, subject or pronoun, also, verb that agrees with the previous part, and you complete the sentence. Or you have another choice, but let me finish this one first. So Layla works. Works is a verb in the present tense because it has an s. So the helping verb that I'm gonna use is what? Does. You know that whenever we use does, we have to drop the s from the other verb because does takes the s. So not only does Layla work. After not only, I have to have a helping verb. If you have missed this, you don't get any grade. So, not only does Layla work at a pharmacy, comma, but she also sells. Why sells? I have the verb over here in the present tense, so the verb has to agree as well with this one. So it's also in the present tense. But she also sells homemade sandwiches. And of course, we omit to. You have another choice where you can simply drop the subject from the second one. And you have to drop the comma as well. Okay? So not only does Layla work at the pharmacy, but also sells homemade sandwiches. I personally, as an English teacher, prefer the first one. Okay? Got it? Think about it. So, let's take another example in the past. Let's say Layla knew the answer and she wrote it quickly. So Layla knew the answer and she wrote it quickly. Not only did Layla know the answer, comma, but she also wrote it quickly. Now we go to both and over here. Remember I told you the two or two things. I have a sentence. Nina is confident and she's energetic. Nina is both confident and energetic. Okay, so there are two things, two characters or two adjectives that describe Nina. So Nina is both confident and energetic. The other one, Nina is confident and Lara is confident. Both Nina and Lara are confident. You know, over here we have one subject, Nina is confident. Then we have Lara is confident. Over here, there should be a comma. Okay? So, Nina is confident and Lara is confident. So I have one who is confident and the other one is confident as well. Now, if I join them, so these two, they, so both are confident because I'm talking about two people now. Finally, I have, do I drink tea or coffee? I am not sure whether to drink tea or coffee. Okay, so I have to choose between the two. I have to use whether. So I'm not sure whether to do this or that, to drink this or that. So whether to verb, which is an infinitive, tea or coffee. Amr doesn't know if he goes with his friend or stays home. Amr isn't sure whether he goes with his friend or stays home. No change in the tense. No adding stuff like helping verbs. Okay, so if I wanna tell you to focus or what to focus on, this comes a lot as rewriting sentences, and these two come as correcting errors. However, you're responsible for everything. Okay, I hope I benefited you just a bit. Enjoy.